Everybody, this is Andrew Guy for AndrewGuySpeaks.com. Today on the Power Lab, I want to help everyone who has been experiencing the syndrome of haters. Haters. What is a hater? Basically, it's a hindrance. It's somebody who doesn't want you to make it. But here, I'm here to tell you today, you were created to make it even before you were born. Even before your mama had you in the belly. Listen, the good book said, even before you were in the belly, the Creator knew you. All right? So here, I'm going to give you 3 things that's going to help you to overcome and to defeat the syndrome of hater in your life. Okay? 1. Listen, you need haters. Think of haters as having been in a glass, right? A glass of milk. The liquid part of the milk are the haters. The more liquid you have inside the container is the more it pushes the foam up. The foam is basically your success. The foam is your purpose. Your foam is your victory. So the more haters you have hating against you, they're actually lifting you up to where you're supposed to be. There's a crazy song that says, love lift us up where we belong, where the eagles fly. Listen, let me tell you something. There's another song that is said that Lord lift us up where we belong, where the eagles fly. Listen, let me tell you something. Your haters gonna lift you up where you belong. But the only way that they'll be able to do that is if you recognize that your haters are simply fuel. So when they get on your nerves, all you gotta say, ha, you're just fuel. Keep on hating. You're just adding more fuel that's gonna push me up to my purpose. So guess what? The world can see the greatness that God has put on the inside of me. That's basically what you gotta look at. So don't hate them, because if you hate them, you're gonna be just like them. Here's a tip I'm gonna leave you with before we shut it off today. Listen, if you don't have haters, then you're one of them. You got that? If you don't have haters, you are just like one of them. So this is Andrew Guy for AndrewGuySpeaks.com, reminding you that I want you to create the impact that will last, where we're building people, connecting communities, and then we're growing team. Remember, haters, they're not so much of a bad thing. You just got to know how to use it. Take care. Have yourself a wonderful week. Peace.